Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about why did your transaction get delayed. So the first reason is your card isn't activated. To activate your card, follow the step in your Chime account. Go to your home screen and then tap activate card on the home screen and follow the prompts. If you cannot activate, call at this number. Now the next reason is transactions are disabled. Re-enable regular or irregular transaction by following the step. So to turn on regular transaction, go to Profile, tap Card, then select the card you want to update, and next tap the toggle next to Freeze Virtual or Physical Card. To access your virtual card, tap Manage Virtual Card. For international transaction, here's what to do. Go to Profile and then tap Account Settings, then tap the toggle switch next to the Allows Transaction or International Transaction to turn them on and off. And here the other way you can do it. Open your Chime account summary page, tap the double slider icon in the top right corner of the screen, toggle the transaction slider on and off, and or you can view the existing card. The green means the transactions are enabled, the gray means the transactions are disabled. You can also view your card details from this menu under the transaction slider. And now the next reason is if your card is closed, lost, stolen, or expired. If you report your card lost or stolen and requested a new card, your transaction will be declined. If your card's expiration date is approaching, we will send you a new one a few weeks in advance. So until the new card arrives, you can make your purchase and pay bills online with your virtual card. And the next reason could be your account doesn't have enough money. If you need to add money to your checking account or credit builder secure account, then open your app and then tap Move Money. Next reason could be your limits are exceed. Your transaction can decline when you exceed the spending or withdrawal limit on your checking account or the available to spend limit in your credit builder secure account. So to view your spending, withdrawal, and transfer limit in your app, go to your profile and then tap account info and then tap view limits. Now the other reason could be wrong PIN. If you forgot your PIN, you set a new one in the app. So for that, here's what you need to do. Go to your profile, then tap card and select which card you want to update, and then tap Manage Physical Card and then change the PIN. Follow the prompts to set and confirm your new PIN. Now, there's other way you can do it. If you have your phone, all you have to do is call at this number and then follow the prompt to set or reset your PIN. And for that, you need your card information, so make sure it's nearby. And you don't need to set a PIN for the virtual card because you cannot use it to access ATM at this time. Now, the next reason could be wrong CVV code. You can retry your transaction, just make sure to enter the correct 3-digit number on the back of the card to the right of the signature box. Now, another reason could be wrong expiration date. Sorry, it's expiration. So for your next transaction, be sure to use expiration date list on your current card. Now, the other reason could be is a wrong billing address. If you enter a billing address that doesn't match the one associated with your Chime account, your transaction can delay. And to solve this problem, all you have to do is just go to your profile, tap Personal Info, and find your address under Home. If you need to update it, tap the icon on the right, and here's an alternative way. Make sure the address you enter while making the transaction matches your Chime account address. And this is a main reason your country is blocked. There are certain countries where Chime card do not work, so we cannot change this on our end. And issues with the merchants. Sometimes merchants or their payment system may have unexpected errors. If this happens, try another method of running the card like swiping or inserting the chip rather than using contactless or tap to pay. Or have the merchants enter your card details manually. But if you still need help, then you can contact them on their website, or you can go to their app and then you can also chat with them. So here's how we do it. We can call them, or if you want to chat, go to your Chime app and then click on profile, then click app filter and then click chat. So their Chime member service team is available 24 hours a day and 7 weeks a week. So I think your issues might be solved if you know the reason correctly. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.